Hey you guys, welcome to a Sunday Resets, and y'all know how I start. Today we're going to church per usual every Sunday. Yeah, I'm still trying to get some attachments for my camera, but yeah, for now I'm just gonna look crazy. Starting with church, and I have to give y'all details on this wig. That will be in, I will add that in the clip. A quick unboxing of a wig I bought, and I am about to show you guys. So, alright, so this is the hair. This is the company, Beauty Forever, and let's open it. Told y'all it was gonna be quick, so I opened it before. This is the cap. They gave me some lashes. They gave me some banana clips. They gave me a pretty little scarf inside. Okay, then I think this is an edge scarf, because I believe I saw someone do an unboxing on Beauty Forever, and I think this is an edge scarf. Okay, so first I'm going to prep my hair. I made rose water, y'all. So I'm working on something with that, and I will just let you guys know once I do it. So I'm prepping my real hair, my locks, for a wig, because wigs can make your hair dry. The caps. But I said I wasn't gonna wear it until I show you guys. So this is Beauty Forever. I don't know what length I got. I think it was 18. So it stops at the middle of my back because I'm pretty short. So it has 2 combs. It's already transparent lace, and it has the attachments to tighten it. Nope, it has 3. 2 on the side, 1 right here. This is a glueless cap, so you don't have to wear glue with it, and it'll stick. But I'm about to show you. I gotta send a picture. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when I'm done. Cause, yeah, baby. Okay. See you guys. Yeah, please subscribe. Hey guys. As promised, I said I was gonna finish this vlog. Sorry if y'all keep seeing like a little black. It's so irritating. I'm trying out some new lens on my camera, so yeah. But as promised, I said I was gonna complete a vlog today. Right now it's Jakey's birthday, Happy birthday, Jake.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
It's your birthday, not mine. And he got his dad flashlight, so he's trying to give me. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do it like this. I tried to put lens on, guys, but that's not working. But what we doing today, y'all? What are we doing?
Yeah, birthday. I'm gonna
What we doing, birthday boy?
Bully.
Give me the flashlight. Give it to me.
We have a lot of great day.
Yeah, you need your face clean.
Yeah, my face is
So I'm going to clean up in here, and I showed you guys my wig yesterday. I'm going to try and complete a work. We're gonna have breakfast first, so see y'all. She is so tired. Yeah, ECP, mommy know. I know all about you. Yep. Say hi. Good girl. Smarty pants. Got some? Got some? Get some? Okay. So, I'm going to clean up this kitchen. It's a mess. And put some of these clothes up. And drum. What else I gotta do? I'm gonna make my tea. And I'm probably gonna work out. And see what else we'll do for Jake's birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy birthday. Yeah. You got big head. Mommy got big head too. So I'll be back. Watch this. Boo boo. You want more? More? No more? Done? You done? You want more? You done? Done. Good job. Good job, boo-boo. Hey y'all. Y'all see me and I'm cuter. We started off rocky this morning. I got those clothes folded and out of here. And yeah, so now I'm about to wash my oldest daughter's hair. And after that, we're trying to figure out what we're going to do for Jake. We don't know if we want to go out to eat, go to the park and have like a little picnic. We're not sure yet. So yeah, this is just a vlog. Y'all, this wig is so cute. Sometimes I want to lay it down, but I'm just like I was telling my IG followers, enjoy this while you can because it will not be on long. This is going to be like my emergency wig, but I am getting my hair done soon, so I'm gonna take you guys with me to get my hair retwist. So yeah, that's the plan. Harmony's eating her PBJ. Is it good? Is it good? Boo boo. Is it good? Hey. Is it good? Hey. That's all she knows. Hey. Jake, what you doing on your birthday? Oh, okay. Don't go out there. So I have those jeans sitting back there on the floor. Those are some jeans that I need to take to some type of Goodwill or something. Or I was thinking about selling them to Plato's Closet. If you guys haven't heard of it, it's like a clothing place. You can like consignment, but it's like a, I wouldn't say updated, or like they try not to sell junk. I'll say that they sell and then they resell. Like they buy and then they resell whatever you give them. So yeah, I was thinking about taking those jeans there, but I am not sure yet. So yeah, I'm about to make me something to eat. So I guess I'll take you guys along with me. It's like 2 o'clock and I'm just now getting ready to eat. So yeah, that's what I do. That's what I do. And I think that's how I'm losing weight. I kind of want to show y'all how I look now as far as like my body. Like this weight loss journey is not a joke. Sometimes I'm going hard, sometimes I'm not, but I can honestly say that I don't eat as bad if I just slow down on the junk food. But let me show y'all. So this part is what goes down first when it comes to me losing weight, and then I lose the pudge. So you can tell which one is leaving first. Let's just say that. But let's eat. I'm having turkey burgers and I'm having sweet potato fries. So I keep looking up, but yeah. Oh, and I'm gonna drink some tea. Let's go. guys. So this is. Thank you, bud.
Mommy.
It's the next day.
Mommy.
This is my outfit.
Put it up there.
Cute.
Fix it.
Me and Jake got a little date.
Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Fix it.
Okay, he want me to fix this, so let's fix it. Alright. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to get a toy, right? For his birthday. And yeah.
Mommy.
I don't know. We are here at Target and we're going to get Jake something for his birthday. And okay, Mama want to be seen too.
Okay.
So yeah, we're here just getting Jake something for his birthday, and then we're going to go DoorDash. I might get me some Starbucks out of here, and that's it. You ready, bud? Birthday boy? How old are you?
I'm 3.
No, you're not 3 anymore.
I'm 4.
Yeah, good job. Alright, so we'll be back. You guys, so I picked up, Jake got his toy. He got a little Sonic robot with the Sonic Harmony cut up. Then Jake walked out with, so this is the first dash of the day. I might show you guys how much I make later on, but we'll see. But I'll talk to you guys then. Hold it.
No.
One, two, three. Happy birthday.
Don't blow it yet.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jakey. Happy birthday to you.
Now make a wish.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 4.
Good job. Good job, yay! Eat your cupcake.
I'll take, here you go. Now enjoy your cupcake, buddy. Come on, take this off so you can enjoy it. Oh.